Hello everyone, I am Komal and in this video I am going to share you how you can prepare for aptitude for your placement journey. So I am telling you based on my experiences. So yes, so everyone like me, I also ignored in the beginning that aptitude तो हो ही जाएगा, last में हम कर ही सकते हैं, इतना easy ही होता है, इतना कुछ नहीं होता है, but not like that. Okay, you will say like this and at the end you will regret it. So what you can do is before 1 or 2 months of your placement starting of your campus placement basically. So what you can do, start preparing like daily. If you give 15 minutes also, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. So me and my friend, we used to solve together, like we used to set a timer of 15 minutes and we used to pick one topic and solve the questions and tally at the end. So we did for 2 months before our placement, like after before third year. Yeah. So that's the best thing you can do instead of telling yourself that नहीं हो जाएगा, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है. तो कैसे है कि 3 steps are there. So in aptitude, what all things are there? There are 3 steps. Is first one is, see what is that? We have list of topics. First is we have to list the topics. Okay. So let me, yes. First you will list the topics. Like which all topics are there? Heights and distance, age, and what boat, river, right? And this comes in what? QA, quantitative aptitude. Okay, and then we have verbal reason. Okay, and we have reasoning. So out of this, first you have to list the topics you want to prepare and mostly the questions which are asked. And second thing, once you list down, okay, and from where you will get these topics is Indiabix. So here, what? Indiabix. This is the site which you can refer. And you can also refer GFG, that's fine, but Indiabix is the best site to practice. So from where you will get these topics. Then what you have to do is, yes, this first we listed the topics. Next, from where we have to practice, that we know. Now, how you will practice is, first, see, you will take a notebook, of course. Of course, you can't solve it verbally. You have to calculate, right? Aptitude is calculations. Yeah, unless if you are solving verbal questions, that's different. Okay, that's English questions. You can solve verbally, of course. So take a notebook and 15 minutes each day, like per day, for 2 months. So if you do this and see, if you do this peer practice, that means take someone means you just ask, okay, group with someone, okay, let's say 2 or 3 people in a group can solve together questions. Okay, so set a timer and first, okay, before that you first write all the formulas, understand the concept, and then you start solving. For 15 minutes, you set a timer, choose let's say heights and distance. Okay, this topic you have chosen. So there will be like on Indiabix, it will be like practice 1, practice 2, practice 3, like that. Okay, and there will be many topics. So you can do whatever you want. And each day, just do practice 1, next practice 2, next practice 3. So together you can solve, and at the end you can tally and discuss together. And yes, so this will be your best way to practice what? Aptitude. So you don't take it easy. Okay, aptitude is easy, but when you practice it, if you just remembering the formula doesn't work. If you just remember the formula and you don't solve, you don't practice, will it work? No. like you in before taking admission in college, you must have practiced for the JEE exam, CET exam, right? There, if you just remember the formula, you know, right? You can't solve. You should know the method, when to use that formula, which and all. Okay, so in this way you can practice the aptitude. And yes, so yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated.